Hi guys, welcome to or welcome back to my channel. My name is Miriam and this is my room tour transformation 2022 video. Today I'm going to be showing you my room transformation and before and afters. I'll talk about my inspirations, what I wanted my room to be, how and where I got all the pieces that I have in my room, because I think that's always fun to share. So if you are into that, tag along. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe if you are into fashion design, interior design, style, that kind of stuff. Like and subscribe, and also go check out my Instagram because it's pretty snazzy, not gonna lie. Let us get into it. I was away for a year last year, and in that time my family moved house, and you'd think that that's sad, but actually it's a good thing because it meant that I had my own room for the first time ever. Full creative control for me. Here's what I did with it. I slept in 18 different beds in the time that I was away. You start to miss that feeling of going back home to your room and having a space that's yours. So for my room, I really wanted to be relaxing, have my creative things on display, memories showing. I wanted to have some sort of more mature aspects to my room. It was good before, but I'm 19, gonna be 20 in 2 months, and it's just time to elevate it a little bit. So my inspirations for my room, here's some Pinterest posts. I really wanted to have warmth in my room. My last room that me and my sister had, all the furniture was white and a lot of cooler colors, which is fine, but I just wanted to shift from that. So I wanted a lot more warmth in my room. I really wanted to have plants, and I wanted art on my walls, like big art on my walls. Also, big inspiration, Paige Wassel. She's a YouTuber about interior design, and I love her videos and her style, and she was a big inspiration for my room. So here's the befores. For reference, here's my old room with my sister. Some pictures of that, because it was good for two different styles being put together, but just not quite me. Here is the after. Now I'm just going to discuss all the sort of areas of my room. Here is my bookshelf / display shelf, and I've just got my books on here, and my glassware collection, and my candles and plants and things. Most of it is thrifted, and then I've got my art up on the walls. Some one's from a magazine, one is something I did in school, and then the other is something I did when I was a baby, and it's super cute. Here is my door that I just keep all my junk on, and then some film photos that I took while I was away and I really love, and then my clothing hanger and mirror that are just very useful, and I have them from my old room with my sister, so I didn't have to buy them, and then some plants as well. Here's my drawers and chair and lamp that I got all on Facebook Marketplace. And I've got my art, which I did, and a decked out wardrobe door, and then a bunch of thrifted decor, and I have some plants in there, and I really love how this turned out. And finally, my bed, which I got the bed for free from some friends, which was such a blessing. And then I have my linen sheets, and I have all my memories up on this wall, which is just super sweet. And yeah, that's the room. I'm really happy with how it turned out, and it's very me, and there's also so much room for it to change, develop, and continue to be me. And that is the room. So that's fun. The last thing is my curtains. That's the one thing that needs to still be done, but I'm stumped on what color they should be. So if you have any ideas of what they should be, let me know, because I cannot decide. That is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you got some inspiration and ideas, and if you have any questions, let me know. Also, here's a link to my Pinterest where you can see all my home inspirations. And yeah, that is the end. Have a good day. Go decorate your room. Make it feel like home. Alright.